Ford Fusion 2016. Sometimes this is crazy. You turn R and it goes back P. You turn drive, it goes back N. Something, but now I open and I see here is a lot of coffee with much sugar. All corners. So maybe it's problem coffee or Coke, something. But to take it out, first what you must do, you must open this side pan, like some panels. This you just must use force and take it out from these clips. After here you will find one screw, and same side you open this cover and you find another screw. After you can pull it out this one. Here is many clips, but it's also one bolt as I show. After you remove this one, after you must remove this also is just on clips, and this side on clips. Most difficult part was take out this clip from here. I use screwdriver, push it together, maybe some tongs use or some to push it together and push it out, and both sides. So, and that's it. After it was maybe one more screw. No, it was not more screw. And after you can take out and you can do what you want. Here I think is handbrake control module down, or airbag control module, I'm not sure. Here is this wireless antenna. Nothing else. Okay. To take out this completely, there is 4 screws more in corners, or 3. You can take out. Okay, I'll try to change and see if it helps. But it's coming just once per month, so I'm not sure when I can check is it helped or not. Oh, it's my bad. This place where I say is most difficult, it is here a screw which I haven't seen. So it's 7mm screw and it's very easy. You open and finish. Easy like nothing. So okay.